good people. You're playing peekaboo there behind that. Ladder, we'll probably get a new ladder for her. Our rope ladder. Yeah, we're getting lots of new things for your new condo that's coming. Rex? Yeah? Hello, good people. Happy? Mm-hmm. You were asking me earlier if I was okay. Hey, darling. Is it okay? Have you got anything else you'd like to tell the good people? No? You're just thinking about it, are you, darling? You thinking about going to sleep? It's awfully late for little birds. Oh, okay, no, you're not a little bird. You're a teenager. I'm sorry. You're a big girl now. Yes, you are. Yeah, hello, good people. Peekaboos. I was going to say that because you're hiding behind your little rope thing. So, peekaboo. Peekaboo, dolly. Not be long, you'll have a big, 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 massive house. It'll be like so big. Yeah, because you've sort of outgrown this. This is big, but no, you're a big girl now. Hey. You say goodbye, good people. Good night. Dolly or peekaboo or something. I could move a bit. And then, hey, good people, take care. And happy Monday. Yeah? Alright, guys. Take care. Happy Monday. Love to all. Bye for now.